I try?
Yeah, you should.
I'll be okay with just a sip. Ooh, that's delicious. That's very good. I'll stick with my drip with honey and one half and half. Of course, Erin has the insane sized pancakes and one small piece of bacon. That looks amazing. I gotta know how it tastes. It smells good too. And then I got green eggs and ham. It looks good. I added some Cholula on top. We've got feta, spinach, egg. Yeah. Look at this. Bookstore. On the card. Cool. Oh, look at this. 35 cents.
Oh, wow. That's super cool.
This is really neat. This Christmas gift dates. Nice. That was 1954, that one. Wow. I had to run outside real quick because we had a thunderclap. You can hear it now. And then it started to rain, at least that's what I heard. And get outside and I'm putting the solar panels under the rig and it starts hailing. So we're getting hail. I think in Moab we've gotten rain, we've gotten wind, and now we have gotten hail in the 3-4 days we've been here. Quite a weather pattern, and we've gotten beautiful sun as well, so just part of the adventure.
Hello. So we're all packed up, ready to leave Moab. Pam's in my lap here. We're a bit south of Moab, so we're gonna go up through Moab. I'm gonna dump, fill up with water, top off with propane. Sarah's gonna run some errands. And then we're gonna try to make it to Dillon. You know, we'll see if we don't make it quite to Dillon, but that's the goal. That is the goal. Pam, stop. Pam's being a terror right now. Back out of the spot. I can't turn around in it. top off gas and all that. Wonderful spot this was. I think I left my stairs up. Here's something talking at me. Okay. I was leaving the stairs out by accident. Okay.
Gotta pass on the groceries. Hello.
Sweetheart.
Okay, so chicken thighs, eggs. The eggs are fucking expensive.
Yeah.
$8.
What?
That was the cheapest. 7 something. Oh, you know what? I might take a banana for myself.
Every day I see miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do
chipmunk.
Is that Mama? Oh yeah.
Pam, what about me? Doesn't care.
We got electric.